What's happening, all y'all? Glad you could join me for another Pop Pop's ration review. I'm Pop Pop, aka Jimmy. Call me whatever you want. So, it's the day after the 4th, and we have with us a MRE, menu number 2, beef shredded in barbecue sauce, or a mense de barbecue sauce. Anyway, Sapaco, Mullins, South Carolina. Good old MRE. Let's see what we have for a number. We have the 176th day of 2015. It's not bad, right? Not bad at all. So let's waste no time. Let's get in this bitch. Peelable seal. Ha! So I hope y'all had a good 4th, man. I did. Oh, mine was pretty chill. Did some barbecuing and whatnot, and that was as to be expected, man. All right. Okay, so here we are. We have our internal storage baggage unit. Nah, I haven't done any more studying since the last time you and I hung out. So I'll be the same ignorant SOB. And let's get in here. Okay. Do a little unwrapping. If I can. Man, this thing's packed. Alright, let's stop with the top part. Start with the top part. We have our shredded beef and barbecue sauce. And that's 153rd day of 2015. So, feels like a nice sturdy little pouch. And we have the black beans and seasoned sauce. A little doohickey for it, like, you know, we all care about that. Barbecue sauce. You guys really want to see these? I mean, come on now. Our accessory packet. Barbecue corn nuggets. Outstanding. Excited about that. Alright. Continuing. Beverage base powder lemon lime. Hey, at least it's not orange, right? You folks know what I'm talking about. Jalapeno spread with, cheese spread with jalapenos. Now I'm excited about that, man. I heard that was the best one. I don't know what I've gotten, but I'm excited. And then we have our black beans in a seasoned sauce. Cool. Hot beverage pouch. Our FRH that we will save, and you guys, I suspect, know why. Tortillas, how nice. Happy about that. and then a sleeve for the shredded beef. And I'd tell you all the stuff that's in it, but I don't really care about that. And then my badass MRE spoon that'll get put over here. I have an MRE spoon that I use for drinkage. Comes in handy. I like it. It is the best MRE spoon, I think. But then again, you know, I've only used it. So, to be fair. We'll be back. So I didn't get into the accessory packet. I'm sure you guys are sitting on your hands waiting for this one. But, you gotta do's it, right? Alright. Spearmint gum, because I'm assuming, you know, because it's in a clear package. TP Genial Instant Coffee. Didn't dig on this stuff the last time I had it, the Genial, but it could have been something else. Here's non-dairy creamer. Sounds good. Feels good. Salt. Towelette. Fake sugar. Dig it. So, let's get out some stuff. I'm going to put all kinds of stuff in hot water. Because I want my food, you know, hot. And, man, FRHs, I love messing with them. But, you know, just for the novelty of them, I save them and then I make turbo FRHs for camping and hanging out on the trail. But for in here, when we're making our rations at home and stuff, man, it's got to go in the hot water. And because, especially since I'm doing these little reviews and stuff, man, the food will get cold while I sit here and run my yapper. So. Get this thing going. I'm not going to waste any time with tasting the coffee without the accoutrement. Because it's the same nutty Trail House coffee. Trail House, like that. That Genial Coffee. Dig my new white Starbucks cup. I did that just so folks could see better what's in it. I have a dark gray one that I love, but man, you can't see anything. Can't see anything, folks. No good. Hey, I wanted to tell you, I got a sick ass tablecloth coming. And a few other things like real lighting and good stuff. So I'll be half-ass official soon. Just kidding, y'all. I'm having fun, man. That's all that matters. Oh, you know what? Here, you want to check that out? Kind of a rough roast, but looks medium-y, right? I'm not going to do much water. I do like my coffee stiff. I like everything. Well, I mean, you know, with the exception of all the crap I put in it, but you know what I'm saying. You could fill this cup all the way up, and it would probably be too mild, or it would be for me anyway. Not bad. you know, it's still nutty. It's still truck stop coffee, but I dig it. I think there's a place for it. Always. Alright. Let's see what's up with our lemon lime base powder. Now I think I've had this once before. And I thought it was pretty good. Not a whole lot of color going on there. No. Oh wow. That's a wacky green, isn't it? Kind of cool looking. I dig it. It definitely smells like lemon lime. Holy cow. Now this water is room temperature. I'm not doing the cold stuff right now, and that wasn't by design or anything. I just threw one in the back of my scooter here, and that's what I got. I could go to the fridge and get the cold stuff, but I have better luck with warmer water, and I got it on good advice to do it that way. Oh. I'll bust out the TP, man. I'll bust out the TP. See, man, I think guys are anal about wiping their shit, and then there I go. You know what I mean? I'm as bad as any of them already, and I'm a YouTube infant. For crying out loud. Be right back. Alrighty. So, we're back and we're good. Got things trailicious here. I guess we'll start with the simple, right? Barbecue corn nuggets. Get to the meat and potatoes of this whole thing here pretty quick. Corn nuts, dig it. They smell kind of cheddar, almost like Cheez-Its. Alright. Now, we'll see what's up with these tortillas. We'll see if I can. Well, they tore for me, you know what I'm saying? But, no hiss, man. What's up with that? You know, I said I wasn't going to care about hiss because we got all kinds of hissers. But, you know, I'm starting to care about hiss. Can't effing help it. You know what's up. Yeah, let me take a drink of my fancy alien beverage. Oh, wait. Yep. Lemon lime, all right. Very good, though. It would be nice if it were chilled. But it's good. It's right in between lemon and lime, honestly. I can't say that one tastes more than the other. All right. So, what do we have next? Black beans in a seasoned sauce. Dig it. I'm excited about this. I've never had this MRE before, and I've definitely never had black beans in a seasoned sauce. So let's see what's happening. Let's see, y'all. Hot. Ooh. Got my scissors funky. Oh well. Dang. Well, they smell like beans in a kind of a spicy sauce. That's pretty accurate. Check it out. Very nice. Let's do that. Yeah, man. That looks good, doesn't it? Sure does. All right. Got those out. Now let's, before we start playing, let's get our main out. Dun 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 dun. Oh man, I can't wait to learn more. What's it say on the main? It says shredded beef and barbecue sauce, 153rd day of 2015. I got that much. Then there's times, you lose me after that. Shit, you lose me before that. You know what I mean? All right. Let's see what we have in here. Now, ooh, it smells like barbecue sauce. Kind of like a, I hate to say it, but not like a high quality barbecue sauce. It smells, we'll see. Taste could be everything. It's, wow. That is a lot of food, man. Or a lot of this. Hey, I'm excited, you know what I mean? Alright, so, as if we need more barbecue sauce, but hey, here it is. So, we will go ahead and hook it up. And what else are we going to do with it, right? Alright, there's that. And then, let's do the knead thing. Almost had a breach. Alright. That's cool. You know, I'm noticing no real dessert here. There's kind of a... I mean, I dig that the main goes together. There's going to be all kinds of wacky stuff going on here. But boy, once you're done with that part, you're really pretty done. Because there's not anything happening in the way of desserts or anything like that. So let's get out our wacky ass camp spoon spork. Alright, first I'm going to go after the beans because they've been out the longest. In a spicy sauce. Now, there really isn't anything spicy about the sauce. It smells spicier than it is. But being fair and that being said, it's good. It's a little bland, and we're going to take care of that. But I can definitely taste like cumin and like chili type powder stuff. And these are, I don't know what the hell kind of beans. They're not, they look like little pinto beans except they're brown. I don't know. I don't really know my beans very well. I know kidney and I know garbanzos and other things, but I don't know. They're tasty. Yeah, I dig those. I'd spoon those out of a retort pouch any day of the week. Corn nuts, you know? Yeah. They're about like corn nuts. I'm not a big corn nut guy, but man, I could appreciate it. I was overseas. It'd be nice to have corn nuts from back home in an MRE. You know what I mean? Morale thing, I guess. All right. Let's get to this joint here. What are we looking at? You know, it doesn't look very good, does it? It just kind of looks like this paste. But we have chunks of meat. We'll see about consistency. I mean, it's almost like some of it's shredded and embedded. But we'll give it a fair shot. How about that? Mm-hmm. Now, contrary to how it looks, it tastes pretty good. And that beef is actual beef. It's not, you know, processed like so many of these meats are. It's chewy meat. Yes, indeed. So, we'll see what's what now. Right? We are obligated by the MRE Council of America to mix and match. I don't know if there is an MRE Council of America, but if there isn't, there should be. That came apart nice. It's much better than stock. Alright. So let's start with some beans. Now I've said this before. This is when things get interesting to me personally. When you start mixing and matching weird stuff in rations. Makes it interesting. Now, let's get some of this in here. I think we need a hunk of meat. There it is. All right. And then let's get some jalapeno spread. I'm excited about this. Now, I know I could have had the spread on the tortilla by itself, But what the hell fun would that be, right? Little barbecue sauce too, right? Why not? Hell with it. Okay, so now I dig my barbecue sauce. So I gotta try this barbecue sauce. It's got a burgundy hue to it, as it should. Not bad. It's barbecue sauce. I'm getting honey out of it and some artificial flavoring, of course. But it doesn't seem like they did a great job hiding it. But it's good. I like it. It's tasty. It's my first barbecue sauce in an MRE, so I'm excited. I don't give a damn. All right, here we go. Wow. That's a lot of flavor. It really is. Could have done without the barbecue sauce, to be honest. There's plenty of barbecue going on here. So, really no need to add it. If anything, I could have used more chili sauce. Even though I'm not a corn nut guy, I am a nutty cat. My puppy loves corn nuts. All right. I'll tell you what, folks. That's a good ration. Kind of a weird mix. You got spicy beans here, and you got barbecue beef here. And you're obviously supposed to add the corn nuts to in here somewhere. And I just don't dig on corn nuts a whole lot, you know what I'm saying? So it doesn't really matter where I put them. It's kind of like sprinkling sugar on shit. To me, it's still shit. So I just leave them out. But the barbecue sauce had a kind of weird flavor to it. It almost kind of clashed with the barbecue in here. Instead of it working together and like, augmenting each other or accenting, no. They fight. You can taste each one and they're not really kicking it together well. Not really kicking it together well at all. But, this was fun. I'm gonna hit the camera and then clean up my ration like a good kid, even though I'm a fossil. I'm really glad you guys joined me. I appreciate it. Want you all to stay safe, stay sane, and I'll catch you again soon, all right? Remember, if you dig it, like and subscribe. Hell, even share. Thanks, y'all.